I take flax seeds every day because they're dirt cheap and bear the benefits of gold. Sadly, most people never experience these benefits because they eat them wrong. Want to know if you're one of them? Keep watching. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 huge reasons why you should start taking flax seeds daily, and most importantly, the right way and the wrong way to eat them. My name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach, and you're on my No RX Needed channel, which literally means without prescriptions, where I teach people how to heal our body with food. Self-healing is not only possible, but it's easy. It all starts with food because we are what we eat. If this resonates with you, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so we can start healing together. Flax seeds have been called a miraculous defense for a reason. They improve brain function, heart health, prostate and breast health, reduce inflammation. Here we go again, inflammation. Anti-inflammatory is the key word of any healing diet. Remember this. Lower blood pressure, appetite, protect from cancer, and eradicate constipation. If I named at least one thing you need out of this list, keep your eyes and ears peeled. The first huge reason you want to start taking flax seeds daily is omega-3 content. Flax seeds are the richest source of omega-3 in the plant kingdom. And they supersede fish oil on many levels, including they're much more cost-effective. It is like you're buying your omegas directly from the manufacturer. Flax seeds and chia as well, by the way, make short-chain omega amino acids. But they are super bioavailable for our body, meaning our body can then elongate them to make omega-3s, DHA, and EPA. This is exactly what you would find in a fish oil. Just 1 tablespoon a day of flax seeds will take care of your omega-3 daily requirement. But wait, you want to make sure you watch this video to the end to know the right way to eat them. Reason number 2, and it is huge for all Americans, and I'm talking about fiber. Fiber is the #1 deficiency in American diet. Not proteins, not vitamins, but fiber. And just 1 tablespoon a day of flax seed, the right way, will take care of this deficiency. Flax seeds are high in soluble fiber. Fiber is crucial for operations of our gut. Fiber is the food for our gut microbiome. When we deprive our gut bacteria of its favorite foods, it talks back to us in a way of constipation, diarrhea, fatigue, poor sleep, bloating, irritability. By the way, want to know the 5 easiest ways to heal your gut? Grab my free gut wellness checklist below this video to start fixing your gut right now. And finally, the most serious reason, number 3, I even had to stand up to say this. You want to take flax seeds daily because they contain lignans. These are chemical compounds found in some plants, not just flax seeds, that have the ability to fight cancer. To get a little more technical here, lignans are the precursors to phytoestrogens. And what they do, they're able to counteract the effect of our very own estrogen in our body and any conditions or diseases associated with extra estrogen, like for example in breast cancer. There have been some comments on my other videos containing flax seeds concerned that flax seeds elevate estrogen. Flax does not elevate or lower estrogen, but rather it dampens the harmful effect our very own estrogen has on our body. Flax seeds have been shown to be effective as an adjunct to chemotherapy in breast cancer patients. Well, enough talking about what it does. I'm sure that you're going to run to the store and buy them right now, but let's talk about how do we eat it? What is the right or wrong way to eat them? I think I should probably rephrase them. What is the beneficial and useless way to consume flax seeds? The only way you can reap all of the above mentioned benefits if you eat flax seeds ground up. Sometimes it is called flaxseed meal. Unfortunately, our intestines cannot digest whole flax seeds. Yes, they look nice on breads and crackers, and they sound and look very healthy, but it is just an illusion. Good news is you can totally cook and bake with ground flax seeds. They will not lose their benefits, unlike most of the foods. Unrefined and unfiltered flaxseed oil is also greatly beneficial. I recommend to add it to your salad. However, it does not replace what the ground flax seeds can do. How can you ensure you get your daily dose of flax seeds? Well, you can sprinkle it on your salad, add it to your smoothie, add it to any foods, really. Or you can simply take a tablespoon in the morning with some water. This is how I like to do it. And you'll be done for the day. Another great way to use flaxseed is in baking as a thickening agent instead of an egg. Have you ever heard of flaxseed egg? Just keep in mind, all of the benefits come from ground flax seeds. Whole flax seeds, unfortunately, don't get digested well at all, and all you get yourself is a flax stool. Let's give it a taste. Not bad at all. It tastes like very watery oatmeal. Remember, if you eat your food as your medicine, self-healing is not only possible, it is easy. If this aligns with you, subscribe to my channel so we can start healing together.